Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm joined by my mom and I'm also joined by my brother. And today
SawBlade, yes, his name's SawBlade.
And today we're doing try not to say wow. And if you say wow, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't, just comment.
Yep. And don't forget to subscribe and share.
Share this with your friends.
All right, you guys ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Whoever says wow the most loses. So we need piece of paper. And we need a pen. Caden, you keep track.
Oh man, why pen? I like markers. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Caden is the scorekeeper, and here we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, no.
Oh, you see the inside of it?
No,
yeah, it's like a clear. Look, you can see all the inside of it.
Mom, I'm nothing now. What? It's satisfying.
So it's the glasses. Whoa, that's cool. I want that. I did. Wait. Oh, it's lipstick, and he's burning it, and that's what it looks like when it falls. It looks like clovers.
It looks like flowers.
I said clovers, maybe. That's cool. Not gonna say the W word, but that is cool.
Wow.
I can watch this all day long.
What is that? Oh my gosh, what is that?
I don't think I could ever put that picture in my entire life. Love watching other people do it.
That's cheese chips. It's not tiny pieces.
No, I would cut it. Do you think you cut yours?
And kind of. How are they?
I bet Daddy's gonna be like.
No, he cannot. If it was in that many pieces, no, he cannot.
If you practice a few times, I bet it could.
Now it's
That's two.
It's the world's longest.
That's what Ashley looks like when he tries to make cake and make dinner.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
This is satisfying. Pretend that that's chocolate, even though I doubt it is, but pretend that's chocolate.
That's bologna.
That's
even bologna.
Bologna.
Uh-huh. It's strong. I love it. I'm not saying the W word.
So this is time lapse, and this is mushrooms.
Oh my
Look how
gosh.
beautiful that is.
I won't eat that.
It's time lapse. You're watching in the book. This is my favorite. I want one of these things so bad, just so I can offer to wash other people's fabric, even though we don't really have any fabric. Looks like me.
It kind of looks like you whenever you. Yes, I did this.
I'm still young.
No, like whenever you were like.
Offended.
19. No, whenever you were like.
Offended.
19. No, whenever you were like 19. Whenever you were like 19.
That
looks,
the chocolate is melting.
that looks so good.
Oh, that's awesome! And look at it; it turned out to be a rose.
Pep it. I didn't do it.
That is super cool. It's a perfect cut. Just amazing. Aloe. I cut this stuff all the time, and I love it.
And I'm not doing it.
That's what I cut and make the hand sanitizer.
I'm just.
It's an egg. Whatever. lost, Caden. I do not know how you kept score because I cannot read it. It is literally.
So Sora's the one who lost because he said wow 3 times. No, Caden.
I'll take the loss because I'll show you that I actually said it a bunch of times and you didn't hear me and I tried to cover it up.
Wait, how many times did you say it?
I lost track, but I did say it quite a bit and then covered it up.
I'll just give you a whole bunch of them.
Okay. Don't forget to
subscribe to my channel.
What else?
Like the video. And ring that bell and notifications.
And don't forget, if you did not say wow at all, comment
down below.
that
like button too. Oh yeah.
Yeah, hit that like button thousands of times and make sure it's red before you get off the video.
Yep. And also, bye. I will be featuring your comments every day. Every single day. But for right now, for today, it's going to be 60 minutes. So if you want to get sponsored really soon, comment 60 minutes. 16. Yeah, 60.
We'll do 2 days. Bye. Comment in 2 days, and you'll be featured. Alrighty. We'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye. Peace. Have a good day.
Oh, and don't forget to be nice to people.
Yes, and #stay home.
Says the one that's been going out every day.
Yeah, no one follows rules.
Bye.
Bye.